What are we doing here, boss?
We are measuring the hood of my Focus to attempt to put hood vents from a Zimmerman motor coach. Because...
Spood.
Yes.
Spood.
Because spood.
Because exclusively spood. And I am great at masking.
And these are rattle can black. How many coats did you say you put on these?
I think I put 5 or 6.
Okay.
Which
you can really tell.
Yeah.
But you know,
they're mint.
That's.
You can also tell how bent these are.
Yeah, they're not the straightest.
No.
Okay.
No, it's fine. The hood is bent.
Oh, so
actually, you're right.
Yeah, the hood is bent.
It cancels out. It's fine.
Yeah, it cancels out because once we get the angle grinder and cut up this beautifully functional hood with these clear headlights, then we're golden, right?
Yes.
Hey, it's less bent than Ethan's hood.
That is correct. That is
Therefore,
correct.
it ships.
If it fits, it ships. And this is going to be symmetrical, unlike the stripes rattle canned on Millie.
Those were
reasonably
done in the Whataburger parking lot at 1 a.m.
Next to a Challenger. Directly next to a 392 Challenger in the Whataburger park.
Oh, now we're marking it. Oh, you're trying to mark the holes.
That's a mistake.
Hey, sir.
Yeah.
I have a question for you. Why are you marking the holes now? What I would do, so you have the tape, right?
Yep.
So wouldn't you just cut,
mark it.
drop it, and then drill the holes?
That's a good idea.
Yeah, we've been working on cars.
How long have you been working on cars?
You know
I've
what?
been working.
Tire marker. We're gonna fix some of the rust here on the Jeep. Oh, there we go.
This will
That's good as new.
This will prevent it from rusting in the future. This is basically an frame coating.
A million times better.
Looks new.
Let's just.
I need some of that for the sub. Does this come in blue?
Oh, that's not coming off. Oh, that should probably be washed.
Oh,
okay. Anyway.
Very square.
This is
wedge shaped.
Yeah.
That's functional. Seriously.
I know, but
It's been used.
This is an office chair.
Well, as long as it just fits.
If it fits, it ships, right?
What are you looking at?
Oh no, I'm just showing the camera the office chair and
The
the.
resale value of this thing has gone down by a lot.
I'm not going to sell it ever. It's going to go
I
through.
mean, nobody would want to
It's
buy
going to go through a
it.
V8 swap. It's going to have
I'm
quad
sorry.
turbos.
I'm sorry. What?
What? They make a V8 swap kit for this.
I'm actually interested. Okay, can you
Is this going to be a front wheel drive?
can you explain the story of this to the
Yeah,
camera?
so Porsches have the cloth door handle where you pull it and it'll open. So I tried to do that with this, but couldn't find a kit, so I just attempted to make my own.
With what, like
This doesn't look like cloth. This
like-
looks like a screw.
Yeah,
I put a piece of cloth on
A
it.
screw
tried to
was-
put string on it,
a screw that was driven in.
and then
Not
what
in a
is the
good
ply?
thing
What is the
here.
piece of plywood bolted to the floor? With the very even pedals. There are wood floors in here.
Safety is number like 8, 9 priority. I don't know where this lands for us.
I think the priority is getting my truck running, but here we are.
Food. Yeah, I don't know what you were doing with that cut there. That was pretty questionable.
Oh, wait. Why is
Well, because the hood's at a curve, right?
So that's what the screws are for.
Yeah, that's what the screws are.
That's what the drywall screws we're going to put in this are
All right,
for.
honestly, that's pretty minty.
That's
Yeah, I mean it's a little bit of
Yeah.
flex is required here, but
All right, let's.
and now we see why it's a good idea to mark it after it's in the correct place.
Yeah. Oh, didn't quite measure. I didn't quite cut right.
There we go.
there we go.
It's good now.
Might be.
How would we know until we?
Oh,
yeah,
mint.
That's better than the other one.
It really is.
it is.
Have screws?
No.
Yeah, we have to go to
Self-tapping metal screws.
we have to go to Home Depot. This one, he did a little better on this one.
Yeah, this one fits nice and mint.
It does. Yeah.
Now,
That
this one,
it's a little different.
that's the first one, so yeah, give it a shot. Let's take it out is what I'm
Why?
trying to do, to show the camera the
Oh, and the Sprude filter.
spood filter.
Yes. So yes.
Yeah,
This is
okay.
Excellent. Okay. Dude, you're gonna pick up so many girls in this thing.
I know.
Dude, nice focus.
So you're gonna like go to a car meet and there's gonna be like you're gonna go like a Cars and Coffee.
Front
There's
wheel
people with,
drive,
like,
naturally
68
aspirated.
Chargers. Who has like a wind tunnel? We need to get this thing in a wind tunnel.
It's gonna be really expensive.
But wouldn't it be hilarious?
It'd be more than $25. They actually look clean.
Don't need.
Like for what they are.
Bye.
Oh yeah, buff that paint, considering you just took an angle grinder to your hood.
All right.
So here's what they look like when it's a little daytime out. Pretty different modification, if I do say so myself. It looks kind of cool. They came out pretty good for what they are. Just a bunch of rednecks with angle grinders. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video whenever we do something else stupid.
V8 swap. It's gonna have
I'm
quad
sorry.
turbos.